Okay, so we get a call for no heating. We got one of these 90% furnaces upflow. I already saw that we have a EE2 code. So that means the pressure switch, it's open, it's not closing whenever the system starts to come on. So okay, I think we got EE2. So EE2 pressure switch is open. So one of these two is staying open. First, let's check why, if we're getting pressure or what's going on. We're gonna throw a jumper on the unit. So it can call for heat. Close this switch over here. This hose was connected to here. This hose should not be connected there. It should be connected over here. That's gonna be our issue. I bet you if I connect this, there, the click. We got igniter. Boom, we got flame. I was about to test my pressure if I was getting negative pressure, but then I saw that and I kind of figured out, yeah, that was the issue. The hose was connected on the wrong place. I flipped it and it's good.